Hi guys. So I wanted to share with you today my results from the Dipped and Sewn workshop by Kristin Peterson of Altered State Studio. It is part of the Bookmaker Collective. It was this past weekend, right before here. Let me just double check. Yeah, so the 10th and the 11th of April in 2021. And she taught an amazing workshop. I'm gonna go through and just do a quick flip through of my book as it stands today after class. So I've stitched in my signatures and followed, Kristin's guidance and created this really amazing base to work on. It is part of the Bookmaker Collective, and this part is over. There are 4 other Bookmaker Collective classes still coming up for the year. And Kristin either does right now have this particular workshop available, or she will very shortly. She's working on editing the videos and getting them all up. So in the description box below this video is Kristin's information. You can find her on Instagram and on her website and any other thing that I can sort of find to list down there. And then also there will be a list for the Bookmaker Collective, so that you can still check out what classes are coming up. But seriously, it's called Dipped and Sewn by Kristin. It's full of so much good stuff, utilizing all of my favorite things, tags and vintage papers, and I use some handmade papers, and there's all kinds of stuff in here. And then she teaches you how to dip and dye and sew, and some really amazing mark making that I had not done some of it before, and so it was really great. And she just has this really, really wonderful approach to building a book. And I don't want to give too much away because that's hers and it's her class. I just want to highly encourage you to take her workshop because it's awesome, and to check out the other Bookmaker Collective stuff. Allie was first, Kristin was second, Wendy's coming up. Then I think it's Tiff, and then I'll be in October, and Andrea will close us out in December. So there's really great stuff happening. If you like making books, they're all amazing. They're all different. But this one is about Kristin. So Kristin put this awesome book together, and the instructional information was amazing, and there's just really great stuff happening. So this is my book. I can't wait to continue to build up these pages. Thank you, Kristin, for an awesome weekend. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. And yeah, let me know what you think of this little chunky, dirty goodness. Bye, guys.